guys, my name is Karen, and for today's video I'm going to be doing a Valentine's Day inspired themed look that looks something like this. It's simple, it's cute, perfect for any little Valentine's inspired party you guys have going on. And so if you want to see how I got that, just stay here. So for this look, the first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to cut out a little itty bitty heart that you can put on your inner corner. You can also use a sticker, but I didn't have any stickers on hand, so I just cut it out myself. I put a little bit of glitter glue on the back of it, and all I'm going to do is place it right by my inner corner, slightly angled to the side. Once you've placed the little decal on your inner corner, you are going to take a pink shadow. I'm going in with the shadow D3 from the Norvina Collection Volume 2. And I'm going to take the loaded brush and stamp it on top of the little sticker, bringing the shadow upwards and downwards. After packing on the shadow on top of the little sticker, you're going to take some tweezers and just remove it, and it should leave the cute little stamp like so. So now that we have the stamps all set up, we're going to continue using that pink color. I'm using the D3 again, and I'm going to stamp this all over my lid. Really packing on the color. We'll go into blend in a bit. Okay, now I brought you a little bit closer. Now, one of the things I love about pigments and the pigments in the Norvina collection in general is that you can mix the shadows and get a color that maybe isn't in the palette. So in this case, I'm going to take the D3 and B2, and I'm going to mix it with D3 on my eyelid, and it's going to make a purple shade, right? So going in with B2, I'm going to place it on top of D3 and slowly blend it, making a purple shade. So with this purple shade that I've made combining D3 and B2, I'm going to take it on the outer corner, blend it in, and with the remaining, flare it out like so. And bringing it to the middle of my eye right here, like this. So now that you've blended the purple to your liking and have created more or less established the shape of your eyeshadow, how it's going to be placed, I'm going to go in with a cream eyeshadow that has a pink base, so it's kind of pink, and use that to blend the edges of this pigment. This is just going to really help for that seamless blend. Then I'm going to do the same thing for the purple side, taking a lavender-ish shade. I'm going to use that to blend the edges of my eye and kind of flaring it out further with this light lavender shade. Now that we've got the eye blended to our ultimate liking, I'm going to take D3 and B2 on a bullet brush and run it under on my lash line, my bottom lash line, and connecting it to the top as always. Now we're just going to deepen it up a little bit, taking a navy blue shade, and the Norvina palette happens to be the D5 shade, and I'm going to place it on the outer corner, really just keeping it right here, and then lining my eye with it. For the last step, I'm going to take a lavender shimmer, and I'm going to apply that on my bottom lash line, just using it to connect it to the heart right here. So guys, there's the finished look, up close and personal. I hope you like it. I feel like it's so cute, but let me go ahead and zoom you out and do the outro. So yeah guys, like I said, this is the finished look. It's perfect for any Valentine's Day themed party you have going on, any event really. I think it's such a cute look. If you want to make it more wearable, you can always make the decals, the heart decals, a little smaller so the whole stamp situation can be a little more petite. And also, you can completely omit that step and just have a really pretty pink and purple smoky eye. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, give it a like, comment down below, do what you will. I really enjoyed making it. I love it. In Valentine's Day, it's my birthday, so I love this season. But yeah, I love this season, and it's fun, it's festive, it's cute, and I'm just gonna stop talking. I'll see you next time. Bye.